Hey everyone, The Hobbyist Vlogs here again and welcome to my channel. So today, meron nga pala akong gustong i-introduce sa inyong coffee shop na located dito sa San Pedro, Laguna. To be exact, dito siya sa Service Road ng United. Although, 1 year na daw po silang nag-ooperate based dun sa may-ari nung nakausap ko siya. Pero hindi siya ganun kapansinin kasi yung normal speed mo doon sa Service Road na yun is medyo mabilis, like around 40. So, even though meron silang signage, minsan hindi mo siya mapapansin. So tara, samahan nyo ko at para mapakita ko rin sa inyo kung saan yung binabanggit kong coffee shop. If you're asking for the exact pin and location, i-add ko na lang sa description ng video na to yung exact link for Google Maps or maybe Waze. Tara, fast forward tayo. So eto nga siya, pag nandito ka na sa Service Road ng United, actually dito lang siya sa right side if you're coming from the main road of San Pedro. Pag galing ka naman taas sa Holiday Homes, dito siya sa left side. Ang pangalan nga pala ng coffee shop na ito ay Mason Coffee. Kung mapapansin ninyo, hindi siya ganun ka-extravagant yung looks niya. Kaya hindi siya kapansin-pansin. Pero I think during the night, dahil dun sa maliliit na ilaw na yun, magiging pansinin siya. So tara, pasok tayo sa loob. Pagpasok mo, mapapansin mo agad yung pastries nila, yung mga chillers nila, and also yung walls nila and yung design. Nakita nyo, bare lang siya. Ito kasi yung trend ngayon ng mga coffee shop. It doesn't need to be fancy na sobrang makulay yung loob. If it's bare, I think it's a lot better because of the neutrality of the color. At ito na nga po, no, nag-ask tayo ng permission sa owner tsaka sa mismong barista nila kung pwede tayong mag-take ng few shots just for me to be able to show you kung paano talaga nila ginagawa yung kanilang kape. As a previous coffee shop owner, I can attest to that na maraming technicalities at hindi simple ang paggagawa ng kape. Dahil maraming technicalities ito like kung gaano ba kalaki yung or ka-coarse or fine yung coffee particles after grinding, gaano katagal sa espresso machine, and also kung saan ba galing at type nung beans mo. So, maraming factors ang nagpapabago ng lasa and aroma ng kape. In my point of view, I look all of the baristas as artisans, meaning they have their own craftsmanship, skills sa paggagawa at pagtitimpla ng kape natin. Kaya when someone serves you coffee kahit sa bahay yan, be thankful and be respectful. So while waiting for my coffee, ito na nga, pinakialaman ko yung chiller nila. So meron silang chocolate chip, red velvet, and double chocolate when it comes to the cookies. Meron din silang sausage, Danish, croissant, banana bread, and cinnamon rolls. Quick lang, pakita ko lang sa inyo yung raw look and very simple na concept ng coffee shop nila. I think the concept of this is a minimalist design and also walang masyadong sobrang daming borloloy na parang madistract ka so that you can focus on what you're working on while you are drinking your coffee. Just to give you a quick trivia kung bakit siguro raw yung design nila is because people associate natural materials with authenticity and craft. Pag sinabing raw, no? So, it represents authenticity and craft. O, diba? May mga paganon pa. At eto pa guys, may mga board games din sila na pwede mong gamitin. At syempre, ingatan lang natin kasi hinihiram lang natin siya. So, if you're enjoying your coffee with your friends, then you can do that as well. So, paano? Andito na nga pala ang in-order kong kape. So, ano pang hinihintay nyo? Mag-visit na kayo sa Mason Coffee. Again, this is The Hobbyist Vlogs. Laging nagsasabing, support locals.